Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Shahryar Khan and my roll number is FA20 BCS062. So today's my topic is Taxila. So first of all I will talk about Taxila Museum and then Sirikap. So the ancient Taxila was historically referred to as Taxashila in Sanskrit and Takasila in Pali. The earliest settlement at Taxila was founded around 1000 BCE at the Hatayl site. The Hindu epic poem Mahabharata is believed to have been first recited at Taxila by the sage Visampayana. History of Taxila Museum. Construction of Taxila Museum started in 1918. Its foundation stone laid by Lord Chelmsford, Viceroy of India in 1918. Construction was concluded in 1928 and the museum was opened for public by Sir Muhammad Habibullah. Then the Minister for Education, Sir John Marshall, who was going to be retired from the post of Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India in 1928, could not complete its original plan. The government of Pakistan constructed the Northern Gallery in 1998. Taxila Museum reflects the cultural history and varied achievements of the people of Taxila during the last 4,000 years. Collection and displays. There are some 4,000 objects displayed, including stone, stucco, terracotta, silver, gold, iron, and semi-precious stones. Mainly the display consists of objects from the period 600 BC to 500 AD. Buddhist, Hindu, and Jain religion are well represented through these objects discovered from 3 ancient cities and more than 2,000 Buddhist stupas and monasteries and Greek temples in region. Gandhara art. Taxila Museum has one of the most significant and comprehensive collections of stone Buddhist sculpture from the 1st to the 7th centuries in Pakistan, known as Gandharan art. The core of the collection comes from excavated sites in the Taxila Valley, particularly the excavations of Sir John Marshall. Other objects come from excavated sites elsewhere in Gandhara, from donations such as the Ramdas collection or from material confiscated by the police and custom authorities. The whole collection contains more than 1400 objects and 409 have been published. Numismatic collection. The Taxila Museum is a site museum and it is the repository for the majority of the numismatic material found during archaeological work in Taxila. Digging began in 1917 under John Marshall, then director of the Archaeological Survey of India, and continued until 1934. Since those excavations, work has continued to the present day. The museum contains a large collection of coins from the period of the Indo-Greeks to the late Kushans. Some of these are published in Marshall's original excavation reports, and an ongoing project exists to publish the full collection. And now we will talk about Sirikap, which is located in the Taxila. Sirikap is the name of an archaeological site on the bank opposite to the city of Taxila, Punjab, Pakistan. The city of Sirikap was built by the Greco-Bactrian king Demetrius after he invaded ancient India around 180 BC. Archaeological excavations. The excavation of the old city was carried out under the supervision of Sir John Marshall by Hergue from 1912 to 1930. In 1944 and 1945, further parts were excavated by Mortimer Wheeler and his colleagues. Most of the discoveries at Sirikap related to the Indo-Scythian and Indo-Parthian periods 1st-2nd century CE. Overall excavation to the Greek levels have been very limited and probably very remains hidden underground. In Sirikap, only about 1/8 of the excavation were made down to the Indo-Greek and early Indo-Scythian levels, and this only in an area far removed from the center of the ancient city, where few discoveries could be expected. Greek city. The site of Sirikap was built according to the Hippodamian grid plan characteristics of Greek cities. It is organized around one main avenue and 15 perpendicular streets covering a surface of around 1200 by 400 meters, with the surrounding walls 5-7 meters wide and 4.8 kilometers long. Religious buildings. Buddhist stupas with strong Hellenistic decorative elements can be found throughout the Sirikap site. Stupa of 2 eagles, a Jain temple and a Jain stupa as well as Hindu temple. indicating a close interaction of religious cultures. A Greek religious temple of the Ionic order is also visible at the nearby site of Jandial. Round stupa. One round stupa is present at Sirikap. It is one of the oldest stupas in the Indian subcontinent. Dharma Rajika Stupa. The nearby Dharma Rajika Stupa is a large stupa that dates from the 2nd century CE. The stupa was built to house relics of the Buddha, while several monastic buildings were built around the stupa.